From the Carl Chevrolet Studios in West Des Moines, welcome to Iowa Live. I am Lou. It's Wear Teal Day, so make sure if you have a chance, you can throw some teal on to support ovarian cancer awareness. That's the whole idea behind that. But the whole idea behind us visiting each and every Friday is to find out how we can help couples. And we are going to do that right now. We have Miles Broadhead joining us from Valley View Medical Clinic right now. Hello, Miles. How are you?
Hey, Lou, how's it going?
We are going great, or it is going great here, but we want to talk about how Valley View Medical Clinic can really assist couples on enhancing their love life and their life in general.
Yeah, when it comes to the topic we're talking about, which what it boils down to is erectile dysfunction, we oftentimes just focus on the guy. We don't really bring into the account that there's probably another person in the relationship that may be sort of the unintended victim of inaction on a guy's part to seek treatment for ED. Now, that can have a lot of negative mental effects on the partners as well. Maybe they're questioning, am I doing something wrong? Am I still attractive? What's going on with this lack of intimacy? So this is a great way to kind of open up that conversation because frankly, guys don't talk about this.
No, they don't, and a lot of guys are embarrassed about it, but the fact of the matter is you shouldn't be embarrassed about it because this is a physical condition that's happening to the body, right?
Yeah, it's a medical condition, guys. Is when we talk about that area of the body, we all bring out our inner 5-year-old and we kind of giggle and we don't want to talk about it. But remember, guys, ED is a medical condition. It's like eyesight. Once it starts to go, you're going to need some help to correct it, and that's why we're here.
Now, let's talk about the age range that people can be affected by this because it's all over the board, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, we see patients from ages 20 to 90, but honestly, the only age you have to be, well, number one, you do have to be male, but age is indiscriminate when it comes to ED. We've seen younger patients, we've seen much older patients. So guys sitting out there, don't think this is an older gentleman's problem. Guys in your 30s and even 20s, this could be your problem.
Yeah, and we mentioned it was a medical condition, and a lot of times the medical condition is being treated with drugs, pills or injections, and this method does not use any of that.
They don't. So you got to think about it a little like this. When laser eye surgery first came onto the scene, everybody was apprehensive about it because it was a technology. It wasn't glasses, it was this strange new world. Well, if we can get past that, think about the fact we upgrade our life with technology every single day in every single way. There should be no difference in upgrading your ED treatment. Our treatment is pain-free, non-invasive, side effect-free because it uses pressure waves in a process called neovascularization to not only open up the blood vessels, but oftentimes repair and regrow them.
Let's take a look at some video here to show you the process and how things actually do work because it's just gentle pressure waves. And you said they open up and actually regrow the blood vessels. And on the additional video that we have, we can see the really small vessels. And that's really important that those regrow, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it's important for, especially with treatment of ED, that we correct the blood flow issue in all blood vessels. That's why the pill's been mainly the go-to for 30 years. It does provide a sudden rush of blood, but to every single extremity. Not to mention the fact that with the pill, you have to time it out. There's repeated trips to the pharmacy, and you will take the pill for life because it's only masking symptoms.
All right. Now, when we are treated like this, you said it regrows, it repairs the blood vessels to restore full function, which is incredible. Is there a need to come back at a future time? That's a question that was just asked last week.
Well, that depends really on you as a person. There's a lot of factors that contribute to that. But, even Ferraris need tune-ups every once in a while. And if you need to come in for a tune-up treatment, that's okay. It doesn't make you abnormal. You're probably not doing anything wrong. But every once in a while, you may have to come back in, possibly. But what you won't have to do is continue to take a pill every time that you want to be intimate with your partner.
Now, you mentioned the tune-ups. We had the laser surgery years ago, and we did have a tune-up years afterwards. So, yes, that is commonplace. But you have a very special deal going on right now at Valley View Medical Clinic. Tell everybody what you're offering.
That's right, guys. So we're really confident in this product. So we want to introduce it to you in a free way, essentially. You can come in, we get an examination, blood flow ultrasound. We'll test the strength of your blood vessels, make sure this is right for you. Talk about your ED with our medical team for free. we'll give you an additional gift just for coming in that guys love. It provides powerful results in the bedroom in minutes. That's free as well. All you really got to do is pick up the phone and give us a call. Make your appointment today. They fill up fast, but we are open 6 days a week.
There you go, 515-300, and then just keep punching 5 on your phone until someone picks up. But again, it's 300-5555. They are so confident, like Miles just said, they are so confident this is going to work. They are offering this initial assessment, the blood flow ultrasound, for absolutely no cost, plus a bonus gift. So it's incredible, it's impressive, and we look forward to talking to you again next week there, Miles.
We'll see you, Lou. See you next week.